So here we go doing example 6. $14,000 is invested for 3 years at 7.5% per annum, compounded interest, compounded annually. All right, use a table to show how much the investment is now worth. So over here I've set myself up a table and I need 3 years. So I've got 1, 2, 3. I'll start off with my principal amount, which is $14,000. My interest is 7.5%. Okay. Now to make this one a little bit easier, because I can see the numbers are going to get a bit yucky, I'm going to remind myself that 7.5% is the same as 0.7075. And I'm going to write my calculation in here. So my interest is 0.075 times whatever amount I had at the beginning, $14,000. And that equals, I'll get my calculator out, 0.075 times 14,000 is $1,050. My final amount for that first year is whatever interest I had plus my initial amount, which is $15,050. That amount then carries over to here. My interest, 7.5% or 0.075 times by how much I had at the beginning of that year. Is $1,128.75. Now I want to add that, that's the interest earned, I want to add that to what I started with at the beginning of that year. And I get $16,178.75. That number carries over here. I want to take that percentage, I want to multiply it by what I started with. And I get $1,213. And I'm going to have to round here because we count money in cents, so I'll count it to there. And I'm going to add that number to how much money I started with at the beginning of the year. And I should get $17,392.16, rounded to the nearest cent. So my table shows me that the investment of $14,000 has now grown to $17,392. So the investment is now worth $17,392.16.